Hello, guys. Welcome and have fun.
Devil's Tower is composed of igneous rock in northeastern Wyoming. It stands 867 feet from summit to base. Let's rock and roll, baby. This is a very, very young baby Taurus. Check out this nice reflex seeing the Google car. The most popular internet browser from 1998 to 2018. Plastic rubbish is being dumped off in the Amazon River. Look what we have done to the earth. Please try to use less plastic bags.
Poco más abajo. You know what's going to happen. Say goodbye to your kids. There it goes. ¿Cuántas veces per día?
Hoy día 3-4 veces. Vale, bueno.
Very impressive bear art made with staples.
Wolverine закончился.
I play now Fragile Sound. For me, this is the best song for me. CD DVD number 69. Number 1.
This is the remote-controlled airliner.
Buffy, you snore too damn loud. If you don't snore tonight, I promise I will bring you to the beach tomorrow. Deal?
That's it for today's video. I really hope you have good sleep tonight. I'll see you tomorrow.